Do you feel like your living room looks the same every day and lacks energy? What if I told you that simply rearranging your furniture could completely transform the space without spending a single dollar? Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll share some clever living room furniture rearrangement hacks that will help you maximize space, improve comfort, and give your home a fresh new look in just a few hours. Furniture rearrangement is the art of shifting your existing pieces, sofa, chairs, tables, and shelves to create a better flow, more space, and a visually appealing layout. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Start with the largest piece, usually the sofa, and place it where it naturally anchors the room, like facing the main window or TV. Step 2. Add chairs or armchairs at angles to create conversations zones instead of lining everything against the walls. Step 3. Use rugs to define areas and pull furniture closer together, especially in larger rooms. Step 4. Place coffee tables and side tables within easy reach, but leave enough walking space. Step 5. Don't forget vertical space. Move shelves or cabinets to balance the room visually. Tools. You don't need much, but a measuring tape is essential to check proportions. Felt pads under furniture legs make sliding easier without damaging floors. A notepad or even free room layout apps can help you visualize before moving heavy pieces. Quick tips: always leave clear walkways of at least a feet. If the room feels small, angle furniture slightly instead of keeping everything rigid. Use mirrors strategically to reflect light and make the room appear larger. Cost comparison: rearranging costs almost nothing compared to buying new furniture. At most, you might spend a few dollars on felt pads or a layout app. Compare that to hundreds or even thousands on new furniture sets, and the savings are huge. 8. Mini workflow or template. Here's a simple workflow. 1. Measure the room. 2. Sketch or plan the layout. 3. Place the main sofa first. 4. Build zones with chairs and tables. 5. Adjust spacing and flow. Notes: interior designers often say the key to a great living room is balance between function and aesthetics. Focus on comfort first, then style. Don't be afraid to try unconventional angles. Sometimes breaking the rules creates the best results. So remember, start with your main sofa, create zones for conversation, use rugs and tables to tie it together, and always keep walkways open. A little rearrangement goes a long way. If these hacks inspired you, hit like, share this video with friends, and subscribe for more smart home styling tips. And let me know in the comments which piece of your living room will you move first.